Hello guys and Vanakkam to my channel. It's been a long time since I shot a video and I'm finally happy that I'm able to do one. I was affected with COVID-19. What the fuck? And I was home quarantined for 2 weeks, and after that I completely recovered. All my tests showed negative, but still I had proper symptoms and I was unable to talk. That was the biggest hindrance that I had, and I couldn't make a video. It took me further couple of weeks, and finally I'm here. And this video is not about that. I will make a separate video on my experience with coronavirus. This video is completely going to be about the books that I bought from Amazon and Flipkart during my home quarantine. I don't know if these books considered to be as a book haul. I don't know how many number of books you have to buy in order to make a book haul video, but I brought like 6 books and I thought I'd just unbox in front of you guys, and that would actually be my first video post the COVID-19 recovery. Continue watching the video. So I actually bought these books a long time back, and I in fact don't remember all the books that I've bought. I've just kept them completely unwrapped just to make this video once I got my voice back. So I'm gonna randomly unbox. I do not know which book is in which package. So let's go with the first one on top. Find out what this one is about. Yeah. Okay, a very famous one. If you're on Instagram or using Facebook, this book was heavily advertised by a lot of people. I've read the online version of it a little bit, and I've seen some quotes from this particular book, but this is the first time I'm getting a physical copy from Amazon. It's 500 bucks, but I think I got it around 270, 280, something like that. So yeah, this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, is the first one of mine. So we'll go on with the next one. This is from Flipkart, Flipkart's Big Billion Days. So I guess I'll be needing a knife for this. So this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a This book again was heavily advertised, not just through social media but also through stores, and I was pretty surprised, and this created a lot of hype amongst the Indian youth what this book really was about. This is again a self-help book, just like my previous one, and this one I have no idea what the content of this book is, but I think I can guess what it is about. So I've always wanted to read this one, and this one was around 150 bucks on Flipkart, whereas the actual price was around 500 bucks. So I thought it was a very good buy. So The Subtle Art of Not Giving a is my second book. And this is my personal favorite, and I'm very, very excited to open this book. It's Sadhguru's latest book, Death, an Inside Story. This book was his latest launch, and I haven't read his previous book, but this one had a lot of reviews and a lot of people suggested me to read this book. If you're somebody who's on the path of spirituality, and it doesn't necessarily need to be in this path of spirituality, this is a book for everyone who will die someday, which means that this is a book for everyone, and this could probably be the first book that I might open. So Death and Inside Story is the third book. So my next unboxing is from Amazon. Amazon's Great Indian Sale. I guess there are 2 books inside, so I'll probably need a knife. This would probably be the last unboxing. It's pretty complicated how they have packed this one. I'll go one by one. Okay. So again, this is another book from Sadhguru. This I think is actually Sadhguru's kind of biography, more than a life. This is another book that I've always wanted to read. This actually shows about his childhood and how he started and how he became a Sadhguru. I guess that's what this book is about. And again, this one was around 350 bucks, but on Amazon I got it for around 130. So more than a life, much excited to read. This is my fourth book in the lot. Okay, alright, now this one. Oh shit. They haven't really packed this well. This is kind of damaged, but since I have ordered, I mean I can still return these if I want to, but I don't want to. This is a good one, Shashi Tharoor's An Era of Darkness. So this book, I would recommend this particular book for everyone. I once borrowed a book from a friend of mine and read this book, so I just wanted a physical copy for myself. This book is for everyone who says that the British could have stayed in India and British did so much help to the Indians and technology and all this kind of came into India because of British and all these kind of things. Generally, to people who support the British and who think that British did a lot of help to the country, this book is an absolute must read for every single Indian. Shashi Tharoor's An Era of Darkness would actually tell you the amount of trauma and how badly India was exploited by Britain. So the reason why I'm talking a lot about this book is because it is a must read for every single Indian. So An Era of Darkness by Shashi Tharoor, again I got it at a much good price. I don't remember this. This is around 800 bucks. I think I got it at 50% off at 400. An Era of Darkness, must read for everyone. Happy to get the physical copy finally. And finally, last but not the least, again a book which I wanted to read for a very, very long time. I can't say this is self-help, this is motivational, this is almost everything in one. If you're an entrepreneur, especially a young one who's just pursuing, and the times where we live in the era of digital media where old school classic advertising is slowly dying, this book will be of a great help to you. Gary Vaynerchuk's Crushing It. And I'm super excited to read this one. Probably might be the second book which I might go through, and I actually waited for a long period of time to get this book, and finally it's in my hands. I'm more excited than ever. This book again is a recommended one for people who who are into entrepreneurship and stuff like that. I'd probably review this book after I've read it. Gary Vaynerchuk's Crushing It is the final book in my lot. So last one, I actually don't remember what's in this box. I don't remember ordering any posters. Usually I order a lot of posters and portraits, but I don't think such a thing is inside this one. So anyway, I'll unbox this. Let's find out what's inside this. I hope it isn't something which is really uninteresting. Let me find out. Alright, it's just a notebook which I got for myself, just to write down stuff. I don't think this will be of any interest to you guys, so I just bought this to write things for YouTube. So anyway, that is my unboxing video of my, I think I can safely say, mini book haul. And all this book, Crushing It, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Death and Inside Story by Sadhguru, More Than a Life by Sadhguru, An Era of Darkness, and Rich Dad Poor Dad. All these books, I have always wanted to read them. I've been waiting for them. Some of the books here are, created so much curiosity for me, and I'm finally happy to get all these from Amazon and Flipkart. Got them at a very good price, and each of this book, once I'm done with that, I'm probably looking forward to review, especially Shashi Tharoor's Era of Darkness. Read it a long time back, but once I'm done with these books, I'll probably look forward to review them one by one. crushing it. Looking forward to review the book very much because it's of great help to everybody. And once again, this book, An Era of Darkness, after reading it, I will review this book as well. So I'm very excited to read them, but I do not know if I'll get the time to read this, but I'm looking forward to. And I hope this video, to all you bibliophiles and book maniacs, I hope you did love this video. And this is my first unboxing video, so I don't think this is quite the regular ones that you see. I would have made a lot of mistakes, kindly bear with me. And I'm also shooting after a long period of time. I'm happy that I finally recovered from Corona and I'm able to shoot videos once again. So thank you for watching this video. Leave your thoughts down in the comment section below and do the official honors of the YouTube. Thank you.
Take it.